Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making some visual effects into our camera and our UI, which is based Shader Lab. Let's take a look at it together. Here, Kinsen Smean made this package 7 years ago. Special thanks to him for this great package. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video. You just need to come over this page and download the zip file of the whole project. After you download it, you need to drag and drop assets folder into your projects folder. Okay, let me show you what we have next. In the assets folder, as you can see, we have several folders. For now, let's take a look at the UI effects together. For example, BlendMode. In this scene, we want to see, look at this canvas, we have only one image, but on a screen, we have two photos, two images. How it's possible? We used blend shader. In fact, the main image is that photo, which is here, but we already blended another photo into this photo, which using the material, we made the material, and into this material, we can define another texture to blending with this guy. And look at this. It is that texture, which is sprite, and sprite mode is single, mesh type is tight, and alpha is transparency, and RGB is checked on. After that, we can add it to this material and eventually add this material here. And as you can see, we have this photo blended into the main photo. On hierarchy, we have only one object, but in final result, we have two photos blended together. Another thing is, another example scene is this guy, which is I really like it. Look at this photo. It is the same photo here, which is transparent. But we have added a material which called move to right. As you can see, we have, let me show you the result first. Look at this. It is really good. Here, in the move to right material, we can change the settings. For example, I changed the setting to green. And now that line is green. The shape of that line is coming from this texture, which is here. Logo light. Instead of this photo, you can use any photo you want. And in here, you can change the scale. You can make it as a simple line. Look at this. Or here, we can increase the speed or decrease it. And also, look at this. We change the direction with using positive or negative numbers, which is really good. Instead of this photo, you can use any photo you want. Let me try with another one. For example, this photo. Look at this. It works perfectly. Excellent. Now let's come back to the reviewing another scene together. Let's go to the screen fill effect, and we have two scenes. For example, let's try with blur. And in the blur scene, folder, we have 3 different scenes. Let's test the average blur. Look at this. We have a main camera and affected camera. Let's compare them together. The main view, but with a different effect. In camera 1, we have blur effect. You can change the parameters as you want. In the Gaussian blur, as you can see, it is fully blur affected on the camera. Look at this. I think within the script or even animation clip, you can manage this blur radius effectively, and you can make something like blurry eyes for your player with playing with this parameter, or maybe like this. Look at this. Okay, let's jump to the RadialBlur, which is a useful effect to making hallucination or maybe DZ mode for your player. Look at this. Without this effect is this. Great. Let's jump to the bloom scene, and here we have again the same thing we had for blue. Well, look at here. It's perfect. Okay, with using these packages, we can make our game more better. In the model effect, let's review it together. I think, oh, it is only the showing the environment. Yeah, there is nothing effect here. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.